Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage and organize files in Google Drive. So first, you want to make sure your internet connection is turned on and that you're signed into your account. Then head over to this corner that says Google Apps and click on that and scroll down to select Drive. So one of the best ways to manage your files is to organize them in folders. Head over to this corner, click on it and select New Folder. So one system that works very well for me is naming the folders by the year and the person who sent it to you. For example, Divine, and the year is 2024. I'm going to create that folder. Now, rather than copying every file sent from that person in the year 2024, inside the folder, I'm going to double click and I'm going to create another folder for each month. For example, I'll create a folder and name it Divine 2024 June and create that. Now, if you receive only a few files from the sender each month, you can name it June to whatever month you wish. This is just what works for me. If this system doesn't work for you, you can follow any system. Just name the folder something you can remember easily. So now that you've created your folders, you want to move all the files into them. An easy way to do this is to head over to this that says Advanced Search, click on it, and in this part that says the owner, enter the specific person who sent you the files. I'm going to enter this and click Search. Now to sort the files from the newest to the oldest, click on this that says Last Modified, and it will arrange your files from the newest to the oldest. That way you can copy them easily and move them. To select multiple files, click on one, hold down Shift, and use the down arrow to select as many as you like. Then right-click and select Organize. And here you select Move to whatever folder you wish. Now, in case you're wondering, Move isn't highlighted on mine because I don't own these files. Any files that you don't make a copy of that are shared with you won't take up space in your drive, so you can't move them. So now you can follow the same system to sort out the other files sent to you by different people. If you have folders of files you use regularly, right-click, select Organize, and click Add to Start. Now, I recommend having only a maximum of 5 files over there. That way, it will make it easier. Now, if you head over to Start, you'll see that you can easily access your file here. You can also color code your files to make them easier to sort through by selecting Organize and whatever color you choose. To find files easily in your drive, use this same advanced search, enter the owner, the type of file, the location, and the date modified. This will make it easy to find whatever file you're looking for. And that's it. That's how to manage files in your Google Drive. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.